So when you have this leaky gut, right, these little particles of food then go through your gut lining, which they're not meant to do, through your gut lining into your bloodstream, causing more of an inflammatory response, and you're just a hot fucking mess. So you are bloated. You may be storing extra weight on your body because you are inflamed as you probably feel puffy. Your mood is completely off. Your libido is probably down. Your hormones are getting thrown off. And I'm just starting to paint this like massive cascade domino effect. I mean, your immune system is going to be struggling because right now your immune system is trying to fight off all this inflammation. So then when your partner's sick, it's like, oh God, shit's about to hit the fan because your immune system can't fight off that bug because it's trying to fight off something else. And this is where it's like, I am a big believer because I've just seen this over and over and over again in myself, but also in clients for like 6 years. When you have your nervous system under control, when you have your stress under control, everything else in your life gets better because the cascade effect from your stress is monumental and undeniable.